So as we would always recommend, we've wetted the filter paper first just to remove any papery flavours. So I'm just going to weigh the coffee. So I've put 14 grams of coffee into the filter paper, and when we make the coffee, the first thing to do with the pour over is just to wet the grounds, and that allows the grounds to swell up and bloom, and that aids in the process of brewing the coffee. It just opens up all the molecules of the ground coffee, and we do that and wait for about 30 seconds before we start pouring again. And the reason we use the H.R.Higgins V60 system, I think this is probably the best and the purest way of drinking coffee and getting the most facets of flavour to be apparent when you drink it. It's the way that really that doesn't promote or demote specific flavours like some coffee makers, like an espresso machine where the coffee's made under pressure. You're highlighting all of the flavours to such an extent they become quite extreme, whereas the filter method is very good because it makes a really full-bodied cup of coffee, but it has a nice balance between all the flavour components within the coffee. And whenever we make the coffee in the V60, we always pour it in a pulse by rotating the jug and pouring in a circular motion, finishing in the middle. So this pulse pouring is the best way of reducing a lot of the acidity that might be in the coffee, and giving more body and a better balance of the flavour. And it should take about 2 minutes for the for the water to filter through the grounds. Any longer than that and it becomes rather over extracted.